1,100 degrees Celsius. The melting point of gold is 1,060 degrees Celsius. Right. So a process, right, from the rock taken out to the surface, right, it goes through a series of crushers, right, primary, secondary, tertiary crushing, until it is very, very fine powder. And then you add cyanide, very, very poisonous, right? Just small amount of cyanide. The cyanide will dissolve the gold, like you dissolve sugar in your coffee, right? And then you're gonna add zinc powder. The zinc powder will act as a magnet, so the gold will cling to the zinc powder and becomes solid again, right? And then when you put it in a furnace, you also add sulfuric acid so that you burn away the zinc powder you have added. So you're gonna keep it in a furnace for 24 hours, right? So if there is any base metals in that solution, if there is maybe copper, zinc, or lead, those they will simply burn away. They will simply burn away. So gold is a very durable metal. You can melt it over and over and over again. Nothing will happen to it. The more you put in the furnace, the more pink it gets. Right.
Containing a weak solution of cyanide. The cyanide solution is chemically dissolving the exposed gold particles. Next, you see them add zinc to the tank, causing another chemical reaction. The zinc is taking the gold's place in the cyanide solution. It's setting the gold free. Now you see the filter press filtering the gold, but the gold still looks like black mud. And then you watch as it pours into the furnace. Watch it and smell it. You feel the heat. 1,062 degrees Celsius. It's hot. 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 The gold is melting. The fluxes take away more impurities. You see the slag being removed, and then we pour raw bullion. That's beautiful stuff. But don't touch it. It's still hot. This crude bullion is now sent to the Rand refinery in Germiston for processing into bars of a minimum of 99.5% gold content and 0.5% silver, which is accepted by the gold dealers throughout the world. Some gold is even refined up to 99.99% content. After heating and further sampling, the refined gold is then cast into bars weighing about 12.5 kilograms, a process popularly known as the gold pour. Finally, the exact purity of each gold bar is stamped onto it. Virtually all of the gold produced is sold to the South African Reserve Bank and then sold again to the international gold markets, the main one being in Zurich. Gold is also used for many, many beautiful items of jewelry and coinage. But gold has many day-to-day uses as well. Gold does not tarnish or corrode. It's durable, extremely malleable, and an excellent conductor. Gold is used in telephone exchanges, transistors, and minute computer circuits. It's used for dentistry, heat reflection and containment, and in a variety of scientific instruments. A fine film of gold is even used to reflect heat from a fireman's mask and an astronaut's helmet. It's an extraordinarily useful substance. Gold is beautiful. Gold is rare. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the rest of the Gold Reef City experience.
May we please have those on stairs and those standing to come down first?
That's the value of the bar in 4 currencies, typically dollars, rands, pounds, and euros. It is 12 kilograms.
Was that 2,230
In which currency, ma'am?
in euros?
Yeah, that's
233,000.
233,000 euros, which is 2,673,000 rands. It has 400 troy ounces, and you would need 3,200 tons of rock to get that at 4 grams of gold per ton.
We're not allowed touching it.
Of course you're allowed. It's not
You want a photograph of you touching it?
Precious.
Thank you.
Wicked.